You need to say PPP PAP sent username. It has to match your exact local name. Password, it has to match with this password whatever you have configured. Done. Now if you verify by using a command called show IP interface brief, now on this interface status you will find the status as up and down. Again, if you get back to the troubleshooting and if you see the fourth point, if you are using PPP, then authentication mismatch. At that point of time you will find the status message as up and down. So that's the reason here we are seeing now up and down status, and if I try to ping to my opposite end, I'm not able to reach to that. Response was not getting, which means the authentication was mismatching. So let's go to R2, configure here, username R1, password Cisco, interface serial 0x0x0, encapsulation PPP authentication, PAP authentication, and PPP PAP sent username R2 and password here Cisco. Done. So now here my interface status has changed to up. Now if you go and verify, show IP interface brief, it was up and up. If I try to ping now 10002, I should able to get the response.